Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you what new phone I got. Now this is a re-unboxing of the iPhone XS because when I first got it, I think I've had this phone for about almost a week, and basically what happened is I had my SIM card and basically I had to put my SIM card into the phone and then I set up all up in my husband's car really. Basically that's it. But let's do a re-unboxing of the new iPhone. So this is the iPhone XS. It's already set up in there. Yes it is, but I'm going to do a re-unboxing because I feel like I need you to. I need it. You need to go. So this is what I love. It's very like, it has a bridge, so it feels like the phone's coming out when it's not. So let's open this. There we go. And on top it just has, I repurposed this and packaged it. So it said designed by Apple in California. That's what she got. I repackaged everything. So this is the little ejector button, which I already unpackaged. As you can see, just an ejector button, which I like that. Then I have just some iPhone user guides. Can't forget the Apple stickers. Now I got the colour in space grey, 64GB space grey, because I wanted to have a space grey phone. It looks bad, but I wish that they come in like different colours. So if you got a space grey, they have grey stickers. If you've got white, they have white stickers, and so forth. So yeah, these are the stickers. Every time I get Apple stickers, I don't know, I just don't use them, and I probably just store. I've probably got like 4 of these around, so I don't know what I do with them. Then we have this quick start guide to say hello and everything like that. Then we have the phone. This is the iPhone. As you see, it's already set up and Face ID works well, so I'm going to talk about the phone later. Then we have the headphones. I actually repackaged these as well. These are headphones. They don't come with a dongle. I'm a bit upset about that they don't, but you know what? Why, if you've got like earbuds, like I'm going to get some Apple earbuds because they look awesome. But you know what, if you don't have a dongle, I don't get too worried about it. And they just come with the lightning port cable as well, which I'm absolutely loving. So they're the headphones. Got a power brick as well. I'm from the UK, so we have a 3-digit power brick. Then we have the charging cable. Now this comes with stickers, but you see I just unboxed it all. And this has the charging lightning port come, and you just stick it in there like that. Just stick it in here like this. Oh god. And there we go. It's ready to charge. So the box is really nice. It's like any Apple box that you ever have seen. Now let's talk about the phone. This is the XS. Now I used to have the iPhone 8 Plus, not anymore. This is the stylish XS. Now you see it's locked. If I just show you my face, it will unlock. And what I do like about this feature, it has Face ID. Now I'm a person that loved my iPhone 8 Plus. I absolutely loved it. I wanted a smaller phone because I feel like if I had the iPhone Max, it would be a little bit too big for me. And I just want to shove something in my pocket, you know. But this phone, I set it up, and Face ID I set up in the car, and Face ID really wonders with these. I just look at it and it just unlocks, and then you swipe up to unlock and the phone is unlocked. It is beautiful. Now if you're wondering where I got the wallpaper from, this is the wallpaper right here. If you're wondering where I got this wallpaper from, this is from Jenna. I put her last name here. I can't pronounce her last name. She does a lot of tech and everything, which I absolutely love. But her sister, called Jenna, also does tech and everything, and they love their tech. I just love watching them. I'm getting really into like tech and everything, like cameras and everything like that, like the technical thing behind it. She does photography and she shoots photos, and then you buy them for about 99 cents in America, like 99 cents online, and it's just a wallpaper that you get for free. So the Face ID is really good. Now what I don't like about this phone is the fact that there's a flashlight and there's a camera, which I don't mind. But you have to, like the camera, you have to go click. But with the camera, I don't worry about that feature because basically all I do is basically just swipe across and there's a camera. And that is all I do. The sort of the screen, that little notch at the top, you can see there is a notch at the top. That don't bother me whatsoever. It doesn't. It's just a nice notch at the top. It doesn't really bother me. I mean, some people it might bother, but with me, it doesn't bother me. Like I can still watch videos and everything, and it doesn't bother me. And what I do like about this, has no home button. Now, I was a very skeptical going, I don't really want a Face ID. I'm not going to like it. How wrong was I? I'm loving Face ID, and the fact that it's got no home button, you just swipe up. Say you want to go into an app, I'll go into YouTube right here, and then to get rid of it, you just swipe up, and then to get rid of that app that you've just opened, you press and hold, and there you go. With this you can do that, but what I do like about this is if you press up and hold, you just swipe up and it's instantly gone. I think with the iPhone X you had to hold it and it had like a delete button. I don't need that on my phone. Like, it's such a good phone. What I do love about this is the fact that the battery up there. Now I had a little trouble with my battery because I like the percentage on. I was like, how am I going to figure out the percentage? Not a problem. So bring down the corner right of the pad. To me it's my right, but to you it's your left. And you'll have a percentage up there where the battery is. That's your percentage up there. I do love everything about it. You flip up. If you want to know any notifications, just press down the middle and there you go. I've got some from Twitter and Snapchat, which I do love. Now what I do love about this is that it's whole screen and it's glass. I love it. The thing that I don't like about the glass thing is that it picks up every fingerprint and every kind of stuff on there that is just, you know, everything that if someone picks up, you see their fingerprint. If you put it down somewhere, you see the mess that it has on your phone. Like, it's not that bad. I don't mind that because I'm not there for looking at my back of my case. In front of my case, I really do like it. It is a nice looking phone. I do like the portrait on this. Like, I took pictures with my phone and oh my god, it is such good. Let me just take a picture of the portrait mine. And it takes really good photos. That is a photo that I just took. It's a really good photo of me. I absolutely love it. Let me take one of the back facing camera now. Okay, that is really nice as well. It's really good and crisp. It's really kind of really nice as well, but you can edit this and you can change the aperture if you want. Oh my god, that is just really good quality. It's such good in portrait mode. I love it so much in portrait mode. Do I see a difference about the home button? No, I don't care about the home button now. I can just live without it. I don't care about it's a smaller screen. It's just really compact. So guys, that is an unboxing of my new iPhone. It's such the brilliant iPhone. I love it. So yeah, hopefully you do enjoy this video. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below for more videos like this, and I'll see you again soon. Bye guys.